Welcome to Math EDU. Evaluating is to substitute or replace the value of the given variables and use the order of operations to determine the numeric value. Let's look at a very simple expression like 4x. When a number and a variable are written next to each other with no operation sign between them, it means that they are being multiplied. Therefore, this means that 4 is multiplied by x. So, if we know the value of x, then we will be able to determine the numeric value of the expression 4x. Let's say that we know that the value of variable x is 3, then we can evaluate the expression 4x to find its numeric value by simply replacing the letter x with 3. Therefore, we have 4 times 3, which is equal to 12. Let's look at example 2. If x is equal to 2, find the value of the expression 4x plus 3. First, rewrite the expression 4x plus 3 and replace x with a set of parentheses. Then, replace the letter x with 2 inside the parentheses. Now, we can use the order of operations to find the numeric value. Positive 4 times positive 2 is equal to 8, and 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. What about an expression like this one? How do we do it? First, rewrite the expression x squared plus 2x minus 4 and replace both of the x's with a set of parentheses. Then, substitute negative 2 for both of the x's inside parentheses. Then, use the order of operations to simplify and find the final numeric value. Negative 2 squared is equal to positive 4. Positive 2 times a negative 2 is equal to negative 4. Positive 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, and 0 minus 4 is equal to negative 4. Therefore, the final answer is negative 4. Let's try another one. Rewrite the expression and replace x with a set of parentheses. Then, substitute negative 1 for x inside the parenthesis and apply the order of operations to determine the final value. When there is no number, we can add the invisible 1 to help us see what number we are multiplying. Therefore, negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to positive 1. Positive 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Therefore, the final numeric value is 6.